So, I've been meaning to make this video for some time, and I want to just show off some of the things that I've been able to build on top of Microsoft Azure. And so here I'm going to just get started. So one of the cool features that I added is that you can start a conversation with um, just kind of with Polly. This is the platform, but this we'll focus on this. We'll focus in this video on just the chat window because I think the chat window has a lot of baked-in features that will take some time for us to able to go through, right? And so let's say
Good
here,
evening.
we
How can I help you tonight?
okay, so that's one of the features right there is actually being able to like hear it. So this is a new feature that I added where you can automatically have it like generate like the message. And so here, as you can tell, we have all the 600 voices of Azure integrated. So let's say if you wanted something different like English in Australia, or I mean from any of the supported languages. I speak English predominantly, so I'm not exactly able to well, I also speak Swahili, so they do have Swahili in here actually too. So, what it will do is that it'll auto like generate the audio based on the voice that you have selected. And so the other thing is also that it's gonna obviously look through the memories and stuff like that. Now the next feature that I wanted us to that I wanted to show off
Good evening.
is its ability to use the new GPT-Image 1.5 and also yeah, so you can see it there that since I removed that, it's not gonna auto generate the message. So I'll turn that back on, and what I'm gonna do here is actually I'm gonna have it generate an image. So here actually we can go to our creative designer, and we can just kind of work with the creative designer to generate like an image. Now one of the things is that Poly, the main worker, can also generate images for you automatically. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead here. Oh, here's also another feature. um, so this is live transcription, and this is live transcription through the Voice Live API by Microsoft. They recently released that this year. So this right here, if it doesn't embarrass me, should be a live transcription of what I'm saying. And so what Oh my God, thank God. I thought it was not gonna work. um oh boo. Oh, sorry about that. I just started clipping. I hadn't tested that before. Um yeah, and so so this is a live transcription. We also added this in the chat. This is also going through the Voice Live API by Microsoft. And so I'm gonna actually tell it, hey, can you generate me an image using, can you, yeah, just make me an image. I think some of these tasks might require us to do like an image. I think what I want you to do is actually I want to post this image on socials. So let's do like an infographic image about some of the changes we've made. If you look through the history and the memories that we have, you'll be able to see a lot of the um a lot of the things that we've done together. One of the things I also want you to do is not just generate an image. It's generate an image using all three models, right? So GPT image 1, GPT image 1.5, and Sora 2. No, no, not Sora. Flux 2.0 Pro. And yeah, just kind of give me those. Don't generate a video yet. And so that was live transcription by Microsoft. Voice Live API. I think that's what it's called. All right, so I'm gonna remove this part just so that I can let it generate. So I'm gonna pause here, and I'll be back once the images are generated. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes. So we can see here that we got a response. So we're gonna kind of go through this together. So the creative designer, basically, okay. So this is the GPT-Image one. We should be able to like click and open it. Okay, so probably platform updates. The text looks really good. We don't have owner res. It actually like got confused there. I don't know where it got, I think it might be tripping. That's what I think. But the image composition itself is really good. And so let's see this one. This one is by, is this Flux? Oh no, this is GPT-Image 1. Okay, let's see. Uh, I guess the prompt is really, uh, I mean, look, the image looks really good. It's just that it didn't follow the prompt. It just kind of like made a bunch of random ones. Okay. Um, all in all, let's see here. Okay, so platform December updates. So the Flux Pro was also very similar. What's weird? It the Flux Pro and the GPT Image one was different, and this is I'm not gonna take my time to complain, but yeah. So this chat window combines you being able to speak and work with different workers, and it also combines being able to have TTS, and it also combines um, yeah, can we do a Sora video? But I actually think that you may have lost the plot. I think the creative designer had lost the plot, and the GPT image 1.5 was actually not anything about poly, and I think some of these updates were also wrong. So make sure you double check everything. Make sure you are not hallucinating, and make sure you're properly attributing what is on poly versus what is in, like, let's say our other clients' work. Yeah, sorry. So we're gonna we're gonna now do a Sora video, so I can demonstrate that because my goal was to demonstrate the different image models. The different image models. So here we can see it did GPT image 1, and then here we can see it did GPT 1.5, and then here we can see that it did Flux Pro, and we got all those. And we got all those. So a lot of these are also saved in Azure Blob, but that gets into architecture and stuff like that. So I'm gonna wait for this to finish, and then we'll go from there. All right, so the wait is over. So let's see here what it came up with. And so this is Sora 2. Let's make sure that the tool call was proper. I guess we don't see the rest of the tool call. Oh yeah, we see it here, so it's okay. And so let's see here. Let's actually play it. So you can play
December upgrades.
I think it could be better.
December upgrades.
I'm not really the biggest fan for it, but it did generate it with audio too. Okay, so the music DJ and a bunch of other like all that other stuff. I'll leave that for a different video. But yeah, I just wanted to point out and show off some of the features that you can be able to build with Azure. Obviously, the voice. The next one that I'll probably do is the real time with the avatar. So this is how it looks like. You can have all the 600 different voices, and also you can have them in like different outfits, and so you can set the default one you like. You can talk to different workers for this to help you with different things. So let me know if you want to see a video about that. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.